In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. If you changed any password to any account that's added to Google Manager, you need to make sure to change it there too. To do it now, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now hit Google. Select all services here and slowly scroll to tap on Autofill with Google. Choose Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen log. Hit Edit button and make your changes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully updated. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!